Let's take a look at how to remove the PTFE tube, the AMS Hub, the faceplate, and the hot sock, with and without 3D printed tools. So to remove the PTFE tube, it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is push down on this black bit here and pull the tube up. So I like to use my fingernail, but you could use something else if you want. And you just basically push down, pull up, push down, and pull up. You can see on the second one, it was actually quite difficult. And that's where I think the 3D printed tool actually works really well. So for the 3D printed tool, we've got this guy here, and like all the 3D prints that you find in this video, there will be a link in the description for their link on MakerWorld. So we just put it in the bottom of the AMS here, and we can swivel it around and we can choose which tube we want to take out. So put the top on, we clip in the tube itself, pull down and pull up, move to the next one, clip it in, pull down, pull up. So because the faceplate is actually really easy to do, I'm going to do it at the same time as taking out the hot sock. So on the side here, you'll see that there's like a little gap all the way along, and down the bottom there, there's more of a bigger gap. I know the camera's not in a great position, but you'll see there on your printer. Put your fingernail in there and you just want to pop it out. For the hot sock, what you want to do is you want to squeeze and pull out, but you want to be careful of there and also the nozzle, because if it's just been printing, it's quite hot. So if you're using your hand, it's better to do it when it's a cold machine, basically. So we want to squeeze and pull out, and then basically squeeze and put back in. So for the 3D printed tool, we have this guy here. It's a really good tool. It's a multi-purpose tool. Takes the faceplate off and also removes the hot socks. I'll show you those two at the same time. So to take the faceplate off, you got this here, and you're going to put it at the bottom, and you're basically just going to put your other thumb from your other hand just to brace the faceplate, because they can fly out. So you basically don't want to damage it. Now I'm not sure if you can see, but on the hot sock, it's got these little things that stick out on either side. And we're basically just going to align the 3D printer tool in there like that. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a good enough grip, so when you take it out, it comes out quite easy. And then I still use my hand to put it in. Just be careful if it's a hot machine, as I said before. So to remove the AMS Hub, in the Bamboo Lab help guide, I guess that's what you call it, they recommend to use this tool that comes with the actual printer itself. And what you want to do is you want to put this end just in there, and you want to pop it up. So in and pop it up. And then to put it back in, use the top of the hub and just be careful, push down, and then it should just click in like that. This is the 3D printed tool that I recommend using. And what we're doing is we're putting this basically in the same spot, and then we're putting this over here. So we're essentially going like this, and then we're going to pop it up, and out it comes. And then to reconnect, just push it down. So what have we learned? We've learned to remove the tube, the hub, the faceplate, and the hot sock with and without a 3D printed tool. And if you've liked this video, like it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.